Yeah, hello everybody. Yeah, this is Jason Raju, and today we are moving towards the classification of operational research. In the earlier class, we have been discussed the basic introduction of operational research and where it will be applied, and the basic definition regarding the operational research and its advantages, disadvantages in the industrial field, widely where we are utilizing and different types of techniques that we are being utilizing, etc. In the present class, we'll be moving with respect to the depth of those advantages and application point of views. Here, it specifies the scope of operational research. So, operational research, why it is used? We all aware of the operational research that the application of technical aspects either in the mathematical scenario or else the analytical sources of application leads for the solvation of a technical problems or very complicated problems to be solved in a very much easy in format is nothing but the operational research. So indeed, to reduce the complexity of the application of the technique that we are applying for the solution of problem, we need to learn the scope of this operational research and where it has been utilized and whether the timely actions can be happened as per the given set of instructions as a program to the device, and whether the mathematical calculations will be satisfied by the programming nature, and these and all the criterias we'll be seeing in the today's class. Basically, this is confined. Operational research scope is not only confined to a specific agency like defense services, but today in most of the industrial sectors also it is widely used for solving typical kind of situations. It is very much helpful in every field of the human activities. Most probably the main fields where this war is extensively used will be looking after. So these are the fields widely used frequently that we are utilizing the application of these operational research techniques. First one, a national planning and budgeting. So heuristical or theoretical terminologies that are existing passed from the ancient strategies, analogies or analysis from the analysis will be implementing here for solution of technical problems such as planning, organizing, even the staffing, directing, and even the characterization of financial aspects are these two elements. Those are the fundamentals we have discussed presently of management fundamentals. And here in that management techniques is utilized in the economical basis of our country, that is national planning and budgeting. And here the heuristic principles and theoretical analogies will be utilized. Next one, defense services. So defense services in sense it will be a general body, national body under the central government, which will be utilizing for manufacturing of n number of weapons utilized in our Indian Army or Navy. Next one it is industrial establishment and private sector units. So for the enhancement of mini unit to the medium unit, and from medium unit to the large unit, large scale unit, or else the large scale unit to the very large scale unit. Here, the application of this operational research plays an major important role, both in the government sector as well as the private sector. Next one, the continuation to the existing theories or existing surveys or existing research and activities, the prolongation need to be done in the research and development activities that is related to the engineering fields. Here, let me explain with an example. Considering a milling machine which will be manufacturing in the conventional mode of strategy, that is physically a person, skillful person will be operating, and he will manufacture a five similar kind of things by commencing the milling or by processing from the milling machinery. Simultaneously, the same theoretical approach has been solved in the mathematical kind, and that is being programmed to the device without any human involvement, leads to a manufacturing of 10 to 15 type of similar products, where the man has prepared only five number of similar kind of components manually, can be replaced with 15 similar kind of items, and simultaneously we can analyze that dissimilar kind of products can be manufactured minimum 10. So upon the application of these technologies in the engineering field, the two by research and development activity plays a major role. And let me explain the similar one more example in the defense characterization. So have to launch a weapon, have to release a weapon that has been fixed in an our rockets, jet rockets, which are used, or jet fighters utilized in an by our Indian Army at the war timings. So when the commencement of sector has been operation has been initiated in the previous technology, by the previous technology, if it has been releasing that particular bomb dropper in a 2 to 3 minutes of variation, can be modulated with respect to a update technology or update research and development activity, so that the bomb dropper will be released within a minute itself. That is nothing but can be calculated from 0 to 60 seconds, within a minute, 0 to 60 seconds. So by this we can safeguard our country by the application of these techniques upon research and development, and applying these activities only at that particular defense services. And not only in that defense services, even we are seeing this planning and budgeting as theoretical, and this releasing on the time factor needs to calculate with respect to the mathematical relations. So that I have considered this example. Moving on to the budgeting, planning and budgeting. So OR is used in for the preparation of 5-year plans. In our Indian economy, we are having 5-year plans and number of 5-year plans. So a proposal or manifestation process will be done to 5 years of terming plan for each and for updating, or even when each and every government has been reinitiated in the general term of elections. So 5-year plans, in the 5-year plans, the budgeting need to be placed. So at that particular basis, this technology will be utilizing. And even each and every year, annual budgets also will be utilizing forecasting and income, forecasting of income and expenditure. So forecasting in the sense estimations, estimations for nearest future. That is nothing but next academic year. For example, in this academic year, I am planning of my family expenses for about 10 lakhs, and next year it may be increased. Forecasting nearest future. Next academic year or next financial year, only one 10% will be increasing, and these 10% will be calculated depending upon the environmental criterias. So how the rupee value is being increasing day by day, and cost of living also simultaneously will be increased. So depending upon this criteria, we will be analyzing to a 10 percentage. So simultaneously, if the next one more year, if we need to calculate 20% of the present initiated value need to be calculated. So that is the forecasting of income and expenditure. Next one, scheduling of major projects of national importance. So national importance in the sense it is in secrecy maintenance, and next that is nothing but surprising for an Indian national terminology for an from an Indian government. So those projects need to be taken place. Nothing but just we have been discussed previously that bomb launcher need to be taken place within a fraction of seconds at the war timings on our opponents. Next one, estimation of GNP, gross national product, and for that operational processes also the economical constraint is major, and calculating of that GNP is also very much important, gross national product. Next one, GDP, gross domestical product, gross domestical product, indeed to sustain and indeed to safeguard the lives and economical impacts need to overcome. We need to calculate this gross domestical product, and even the population factor, employment and generation of agriculture yields, etc. So in the case of this population only, the family planning has been came into the force that only two children need to be uh, accessed by each and every family. Next one, employment and generation of agriculture yields, etc. So employment upon the employment over the agriculture generation and yields. So yielding how much if the population is being sarcastically increased, automatically food grains also need to be increased. So for that living purpose, automatically you have to observe the land also even. So if the land has been observed for only the living purpose, what about the agriculture basis? Agricultural land will be getting decreased simultaneously. If the living nature has been increased, agriculture growing will be decreasing simultaneously. So if the population has been increased and vice versa, the agriculture is being decreasing inversely, when it has been inversely proportional, then there will be a scarcity within the food grains or food products for the population that is being growing drastically. So moving on to the defense services, basically formulation of a war started in USA Army. Hence, it has a wide application because the constitution, when our India passed 75 years before the bifurcation or got independence, at the time of independence, we are being Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has been framed up with our framed up our Indian Constitution by following the majority with respect to the American Constitution. Next one, the British Constitution. Next one, the French Constitution. Japanese Constitution is Spanish. France is somewhat. So maximum 60 to 70 percentage of the constitutional amendments has been borrowed or followed from USA itself, America. Next one, British of 10 percentage, and remaining 10 percentage is from the French. next to 10 percentage, or that remaining 10 percentage is from remaining countries. So what are the terminologies existing in the defense services? Development of a new technology. So existing technology is a part one. So development of a new technology plays a major important role, and for that one, optimization of cost and time. So optimization in the sense here, the less in economical factor, less in economical factor, and even the cost and time variations. So within the less time, by investing the less amount, need to be obtained a maximum output. Next one, tender evaluation. Tender evaluation. Next one, assessment of the threat analysis. So you have to access or analyze in what way the threat is being attained by us. So in the previous days, there is no any drone technology. Considering a similar example, for that purpose I'm telling. So similarly, drone that doesn't exist in the previous years. And present days technology, we are utilizing that drones indeed to identify the opponent's actions, where they are, how much far away they are with respect to our army, like that. So the threats need to be identified, and even furthermost, most valuable information it is satellite analysis. So almost satellites has been launched in the universe, and from that we'll be analyzing the pictorial representations also. So these drones will be in an unhiding nature, but those satellites are not visible to our naked eye, even can't be analyzed without any supporting opponent satellites. Next one, inventory control, transportation, supply depots, etc. So moving on to the industrial fields, both in the government and as well as the private sector units. So effectively utilized in plant location and setting finance planning. So plant location, where the plant need to be located, at the outskirts or very much nearer to the village levels or cities levels, etc. need to be planned while implementing a plant. And next, setting of financial planning. So financial planning is very much important for the development of organization or installation of organization also as well. Nothing but the land need to be purchased, and in that particular land the construction need to be placed, and construction need to be separated with respect to different units. Organizing is separate, separate staffing is separate, production unit is separate, storing is separate, transportation, authentication, etc., etc. Different sublimitations of manufacturing need to be done. For that, one financial process need to be taken place, and staff at different levels working from low level end of the workers to the top level of the workers, and salaries depending upon that financial planning need to be taken place, and machineries installations and purchasing of machineries, and upon working the maintenance activities need to be taken place. So maintenance of that particular machineries, etc., will be drafted schematically by setting this financial planning. Product and process planning. So we have been discussed it. Facility planning and construction, production planning and control, purchasing, maintenance management, personal management, etc. This we have been already discussed now. Next, another one more financial aspect is estimated that marketing marketing also plays a major important role here. So number of sales, purchases has been commenced, and research and development activity. research and development activity. Coming to the research and development in engineering, there is a wide scope is applied indeed to commence the above application processes. So above application processes in the sense already we have been discussed that new advancements like drones and the bomb launcher vehicles, manufacturing, etc. Those can be analyzed by considering only these technology forecasting and evaluations or changes that is being when has been commenced in the engineering field. So those variations are nothing but technology forecasting and evaluation, technology and project management, preparation of tenders and negotiations, value engineering, work or method study, and like this. And different methods here are followed in the operational research. That is orientation, problem solving, or problem definition. And for that, orientation is nothing but the aim or target need to be obtained. So problem definition, indeed to achieve that particular problem, so what are the methodologies need to be identified. So that problem initially where that problem existing, so that has to be defined. And indeed to solve that, previous analogy is nothing but our research theory, that data collection and model the formulations to achieve the problem and solving of the solution, and analysis and information after getting the solution or results need to be framed out. And after getting the perfect analysis, then the implementation and monitoring or production etc will be commenced. And some of the techniques or tools of operational research, linear programming as one of the technology utilized, queuing theory, sequencing, transportation problems, integer problems, assignment problems, decision theory and games theory, replacement problems, symbolic logic. Coming to the linear programming, is it to find the solution for optimizing a given objective, and the boundary conditions will be specified or linear in nature, and these linear programming techniques solve the product mixture and the distribution of problems of an enterprise. Queuing theory, this queuing theory will be long, and these will be acting only at the particular situations where it has been formed away, such as customers waiting for services, machines waiting for the repairman, aircrafts waiting for landing strips, etc. And these calculations can be used to determine desirable number of service facilities also. So here it clearly specifies that within the queuing, so the object need to be done in the coming minutes of timings. There's nothing but the queuing theory. So any alternative is being existing indeed to solve these problems or not. Let us consider one example, that landing of an aeroplane. Almost already one of the aeroplane is ready to take off. In the same runway, another aeroplane need to be landed, but the airplane has been reached to the surroundings of that particular airport, and at that particular time it is in queuing process. So circularly surrounding with respect to that um, airport, that flight will be getting in high position, high altitude itself. So immediately another runway will be identified, and that runway will be allocated for that landing purpose of that particular airplane, or else clearance immediately will be getting given to the existing flight that need to be take off immediately. So these two parameters will be taken place depending upon the situational basis. Sequencing. So sequence process is nothing but total lapse at a time for all the jobs will be minimum. It's nothing but sequencing. A periodical process need to be identified and given as per the criteria. That is one by one, like that. So one to another, another to another, in such a way. So transportation problems. So here we'll be looking after one by one. So from a number of sources, how many number of sources the problems will be identified, and how many number of sources, how many with a limited supplies or a number of supplies, or to number of destinations, how many number of at which points, at what stops, nothing but considering an RTC bus, it will be starting at a source depot, and next it has to be stopped at different places. Meanwhile, I need to reach the destination point. So with specified demands, nothing but another one conductor will be existing, and each and every stop, respective stop, the bus will need to be halted and again reinitiated. So like that, the overall the total transportation cost need to be identified. And even in the case of not only the manual transportation or manual carrying, the goods and services carrying also. The integer programs. Integer means complete or whole numbers that we are aware of. But the algorithm is a series of linear programming problems that has been solved in the way that solution containing unacceptable non-integer values. Assignment problems. These are nothing but a special type of linear programming problems will be simultaneously equal by the application of some of the theoretical technology. Let's move on with respect to an example. Manager may like to know which job should be assigned to which person so that all jobs can be completed in the shortest possible time. So by calculating the efficiency of the worker, manager will allocate a particular task to that particular specified person. Next, designing theory and game theory, decision theory. Sorry, decision is nothing but primarily considered under the probable conditions, risk, uncertainty. So game theory is where the decision making under conflict. Nothing but upon the both the decision and the game theory, decision maker or analyzing such a kind of problems can be solved very much easily with an alternative course of actions. So replacement of problems sooner or later, these are nothing but situationals depending upon the situations that has been erased while the solvation of one problem. There is nothing but machineries and etc. These require simultaneous replacement, nothing but failuring of a particular part within the object or within the body or within the machinery. So replacement is compulsory. So required replacement will be because of there are some of the criteria, that is discovery of new technology, better design of equipment, obsolescence. So maintenance here indeed to increase the production with the less within the less timings, the new technology has to be replaced because high number of production will be taken place only with this replacement. And next, design criteria. Indeed, to compete with the present day's marketing sector, the existing models will may not be liked by the majority of the public. So new designs need to be placed. When the better design of equipment has been accessed, it need to be replaced. So the replacement decisions will consider cost effective. So cost of the equipment and cost of the equipment replaced, etc. And for the replacement, the maintenance charges, etc. The symbolic logics, symbols are more meaningful and accurate. We all know that all problems converted into the algebraic equations, and the simplification process will be getting done for getting the better operational conditions. So management decision making. So here, on an average, we'll be having a simple theory regarding it. Increases the creative capability of a decision maker and decision science. And business problems need to be solved. Transportation plays a major important role here, like vice versa. Nothing but taking the raw material stage onwards, completing until the completion of that product manufacturing, there will be some criteria, and to reach that completed product to an end customer, end to end customer, a particular process is necessary. It is transportation, warehouse storage, and from to there to the wholesaler, wholesaler to the retailer, and before that distributor, distributor to wholesaler, wholesaler to the retailer, and then retailer to the customer. So industrial field that we have been taken place, but only these transportation and next modes of transportation from one channel to the another channel also need to be managed, and these and all are the parameters coming under the management decision making. So limitations of the operational research, the magnitude of computation. So can't analyze the magnitude related to the computational methodologies that we are utilizing or updating. Non-quantifiable factors, define distance between user and analyst. So analyst is different and user is different. So if these two factors, if there is any malfunctioning that has been occurring in the present system, the technical person need to be approached to the existing place of the machinery, and that analyst need to be solved that particular problem, and then the user will be ready for solving the problems. So time and money costs, implementation, or some of the limitations. Here the magnitude and non-quantifiable factors need to be obtained, analyzed factors. And these are the time and money costs variations. And furtherly, implementation also plays an psychological factors here. Thank you.